In today's video, we're going to be using mythic weapons only, including Zeus's mythic weapon. It sucks, but hey, we're using it. Here on Mount Olympus, this spot specifically, where in fact mythics, or, well, the chests do in fact go. So, I'm counting on the fact that it's gonna have either Zeus's mythic or wings that I can go find somebody else's mythic, because I swear I am not fighting freaking Ares. Because Zeus is something else. Unless you don't fight Zeus here and this is Artemis. Not too sure. Also, the purple horns. No, the purple ears with Cerberus kind of looks fire, but not. I don't know, I'm probably just rambling. No. Other weapons until I find actual. Until I'm mythic. So I am allowed to use snipers, but. I'm allowed to use this stuff right now, but I can't use it later. Okay. Nope. Come on. Have something. Yes! Never thought I'd be excited to see that. Really, I never thought I would. Okay, so we got our mythic. We got our mythic weapon. Really not allowed to use anything else. So that does leave me as an open target. Which, like... just casually, just like trading. Peter Griffin. Uh-oh. No. Okay, I got 2 more mythics. Great. Absolutely great. And I'm going to go ahead and crash down to this car here. And we're gonna mount our way out of here. Because, like, yeah. Yahoo! Yeah, best way I could explain it. Yahoo! Yahoo! Alright, more chicken. Let's just say that. Alright, so we're heading over into fencing fields. Not sure if I want to get involved right now, because I don't really have full shield, and being in the Zeus position does mean that I will get shot out of the sky. Quite literally, too. So I really have to do it when, like, nobody's watching. Honestly, it's like one of the stupidest mythics I have ever seen. Of course it is. And... boom! And does that mean that we're gonna go take on one of these people over here? I don't know, it's a possibility. Let's see. Hold on. One, two, and dead. Alright, we got our first kill. Wow, they ransacked this place. Pretty sure it's not gonna... That is just insulting. Alright, let's hop out. Let's hop, skip, and go away. I don't want to head back to the Mount Olympus biome. But instead of doing it in bird form, we're gonna actually drive. Oh, that's Medusa. Don't kill her. Don't kill her. I like Medusa in this Fortnite right now. Alright, so we have 4 mythics. 4 shots left. We have 4 shots, basically 4 shots left. We have 1 kill. Yeah. I have enough gold. No! No, 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 no. One, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Midas. Midas was my boss, but we were also okay. He's sweeter than he seems. Okay, thank you, Meowscles! Thanks, buddy. I know, technically I'm a 3-headed dog and you're a cat, but like... Hey, let bygones be bygones, right? Right, guys. Right, bites. My bite-sized friends. Okay, we have Meowscles on our team. Let's go ahead and drink this big pot. And boom. I don't really think we have like enough time to search for another mythic. But let's go ahead and head in my banged up, damaged car. What? Oh! It's like Ares, but smaller. And more of an a-hole. Meowscles, you did not have to shoot at them, I'm being honest. Imagine you could upgrade your lightning bolt with reduced ADS, faster firing speed, and reduced recoil. That would kind of be funny. Now, wouldn't you guys? Ooh, that's the place that I originally wanted to go. Or was it this place, I think? Yeah, it was this place. I can't believe somebody would leave a perfectly good Thunderbolt here. People are literally calling this thing the worst gun in the game. Or the worst thing in the game. Oh. My god. Wow, you can see that thing. Okay, let's hit the other side. 1, 2. Oh! Utterly speechless. Let's go ahead and use our chug splashies and get ourselves up to full health. I assume he probably left any lightning bolts that he found on the floor, because like nobody's gonna use them. But you know, maybe I should just change this to the lightning bolt challenge. That would prove more fitting. Ooh, that's just as good as a lightning bolt right now. More bird capabilities. I'm equivalently bird dog. Okay. Interesting. I'm probably never gonna look at that ever again until it comes to a greater significant portion of the story. Because yes, this simple stupid battle royale game with a freaking underworld dog is in fact has a story. Somehow. Okay, go ahead and travel up here. There's 18 people left. Oh. I mean, hey. I have more stuff now. Which is, like, great. Also, I don't think I take full damage. See, I would have died. But because of this thing, I can't die from fall damage. Now, this guy does... Whoever is here, does in fact have the medallion. I'm just calling it the medallion because it is. Is that a person? Maybe, maybe not. Also, wow, physics. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I mean, come on, if they can add physics to a stupid banner, they can add physics to Catwoman. I'm literally just gonna say that because I don't want to dive down further into whatever the heck I actually just meant. Thunderstruck! Get awestruck, boy. The Allfathers do not like you here, chat. How is there 14 people left, and I have managed to kill 4 with a stupid mythic. With this one little stupid mythic. I've killed so many more people. Let's see if I can get my first 10 bomb this game. By kill, I mean eliminate. You know what I mean, YouTube. Love you. Also, I guess if you somehow managed to get this far into the video, please like and subscribe. That's all I'm just gonna say. Haven't really planned this part out that much. So they are fighting down there with the medallions, which if I could, in fact, get one to die, and then I steal this, you know, little mythic, that would be more excellent. Oh, they're fighting down there. Oh, they're fighting down there, are they? Let's see what a little old Cerberus boy is going to do. Get thunder freaking struck. Okay. Yeah, I think we so sad, okay. I think we all know what we expected there. Well, thank you guys for watching this video anyways. It was actually a lot of fun to record. See you next video. Ciao.